Card bingo is a fun variation of bingo that uses regular decks of playing cards. To play, first deal each player a hand of cards face down. Deal 8 cards each for a 6-player game, 7 cards each for a 7-player game, 6 cards each for an 8-player game, or 5 cards each for a 9 to 10-player game. If you're playing with fewer than 6 people, deal 8 or more cards to each player. Set aside the leftover cards. Then, place a second full deck of cards in the middle of the table. Each player lays their cards face up in a row in front of them. Choose one player to be the caller. The caller flips one card from the top of the second deck face up at a time, calling out the rank and suit. If a player has a card with the same rank and suit as the one called out, they flip it face down. The game continues until one player has flipped all of their cards face down. When a player completes their hand, they yell out, "Bingo!" to win the game.